how to play music through mic on Roblox. Go to Google, search for Voicemeeter, click on the first website that pops up right here, then you want to select download. This is gonna download Voicemeeter. Just open it up like so, and you want to double click on the application to install it. Click on yes. Once you have the app installed, it should look like this. And now we can go to Roblox and we can open up any Roblox game with the voice chat option. And the first thing that we have to do is click on A1. Click on A1 and then you will choose your speakers here or headphones for or in order to play the music. So I'm just going to choose the headphones. Okay, so once you have done this, then you can minimize Voicemeeter and you will press escape in Roblox, go to settings, and right here you want to scroll down until you see the option for input device. So input device, make sure this is set to Voicemeeter out, and right here if the default doesn't work you can change to these Voicemeeter options. And basically now once you play music through your mic, then as you can see it's not detecting it. If I play music through my on my PC, this is gonna play it through the mic. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.